I'm going to be answering WAEC 2019 Economics Objective Past Question 36. An increase in prices of factors that may input result in A. Demand pull inflation, B. Stagflation, C. Open inflation, D. Cost inflation. So we'll look at the definition of each of these terms and then see which of them has to do with increase in prices of factors. So for demand pull inflation, is basically inflation that is asserted to arise when aggregate demand in a country outpaces aggregate supply of that country. Now in stagflation basically refers to persistent high inflation combined with high unemployment rate and stagnant demand. Now in open inflation refers to continuous rise in prices visible to the people. Then for cost inflation refers to overall increase in price due to increased cost of raw materials. Now in cost inflation, the inflation or rise or increase in price is due to increased cost of raw materials or increased cost of factors as it relates to the production of goods and services. Therefore, it is the closest that concerns increase in price of factor, and the correct answer is D, cost inflation. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.